If you're looking for Italian wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Italian wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by 3D Rose. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by WatchBuddy. Number 3, by the Stupell Home Decor Collection. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by hadaaya Gits and Home Decor. Number 5, by Piazza Pisano Art by Pisano. Find these Italian wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by KK Chef. Number 7, by Fat Chef. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Fairy Freckles Studios. Number 9, by IKEA. Discover more Italian wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Aranu.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.